Hey guys, how we doing today? We're here at our Creekside model in Holliday Farms. The home is built by AR Homes. What a great view, what a great setup this is. You get some action of the golf course through the trees. You have this nice creek. You know what? I want to take you on a home tour on the inside. Come on, let's go. All right, we're starting down the basement of this Creekside model just because I think this is probably the coolest feature about the house. So I wanted to give it to you right away. It's this wine cellar. The thing I think you'll really like about it is the glass window above. Come on, go take a look. One of the things I think somebody will really appreciate about living in Holliday Farms is all the social aspects of this community. It is a gated community. It is a golf community. The primary driver behind this community is the golf course. The golf course is a championship course. It was designed by Pete Dye himself. It was one of his last courses he designed before he passed away. It's a fantastic golf course. I've had the opportunity to play it a few times here because I do have clients that are buying in the community. What I really appreciate about the golf course itself is even though it's in a residential area, it still does not feel like it. It's still wooded, there's water, it's challenge, there's undulation up and down. The course itself is fairly difficult. I could see a pro coming out here and having a difficult time as well. It's just a fun course to play on itself. Here we are upstairs on the main level. If you remember from the basement, we were down the wine cellar and we scaled up. Well, now take a look. Here's the floor from below. Here we are in the kitchen area. It's a very open, spacious area. What I really like and appreciate about it is it's got a really nice outdoor eating area. I love the lights that are up here. It's a very bright kitchen. Go ahead and take a look. Hey y'all, we're here at our master suite here in the Creekside model up at Holliday Farms. This is a custom home built by AR Homes. The master on this particular property is on the main floor. That's something unique. Most properties are going to have them on the second floor. Not here, it's right on the main. You need to check out that bathroom. Go take a look at that. Here we are at the Creekside model here, built by AR Homes. AR Homes is one of the 14 custom builders here in Holliday Farms. If you're super curious about wanting to build a custom home here, AR Homes can build it. If you have the vision, reach out to them. They can build it. If you have questions about working with AR Homes, I have personal experience. I have a client that's building the AR Homes. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. That's our tour for AR Homes here in Holliday Farms. This is the Creekside Mile. If you have any questions about Holliday Farms or AR Homes, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My name's Landon.buesching. My contact phone number is area code 260-573-6316. You can reach me on my website as well, which is realestatelandon.com. I hope you make it a great day.